Lesitimela sibuye emzileni wokuqala emva kweminyaka e15. Isitimela esibizwa ngo-Amanda nesineminyaka engama-72 silungisiwe nokuwumsebenzi wabo nogquzi lwesitimela zamalahle. Ngosizo lwe-Transnet, lesitimela sikwazi ukuthutha amakhulu ezivakashi ogwini luse-Mossel Bay.
So this started as the brainchild of one of our good friends, Clive Holiday, last year. Just after Heritage Day, he contacted me and said, why don't we run a heritage train next year? None of us could do it actually on our own, so it was a group of people that got together, public-private type partnership, just on a handshake, and we got stuck in and set up today's event.
I'm quite emotional about it actually. I think the most important thing we have to remember is the fact that Ralph Mills, the CEO from Transit Engineering, took the suggestion on board, thought about it and decided no, this would be a good thing to do. And they've supported us all the way. The coaches that we've seen that the passengers are riding in have all been overhauled by Transit Engineering, and everybody has given something for free to make this day happen. It's absolutely amazing.
Kwabaningi bekungokuqala begibela isitimela samalahle, kanti abanye befuna ukubuyela esikhathini sasemandulo.